Welcome back to DialerKing. If you're running a call center, you likely already know the muscle and versatility Vicidial brings to the table. But let's face it, that power often comes with a bit of a learning curve. That's precisely where we step in. Find out what DialerKing has in store for you.
Think of DialerKing as your partner for Vicidial. We provide custom builds and top-notch support, all focused on making your call center operations flow seamlessly, boost efficiency, and seriously improve your bottom line. No more uncertainty, just pure growth. So glad you watched. Please subscribe to our channel for more valuable information, and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Until next time.
Call +91 940 820 7777. WhatsApp +1 202 249 5906. Email dialer@dialerking.com. Microsoft Teams, DialerKing. Learn more, DialerKing.com. +1 940 820 7777. WhatsApp +1 202 249 5906. Email dialer@dialerking.com. Microsoft Teams, DialerKing. Learn more.